If you're planning to become a licensed electrician in Oklahoma in 2026, this video breaks down exactly what you need to know before you apply. We'll cover Oklahoma's full electrical license ladder, including Apprentice Electrician, Journeyman Electrician, and Electrical Contractor. We'll also walk through the application process, the experience requirements, and exactly what to expect on the exam. Welcome to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a discount code you can use on your Oklahoma electrician exam prep. Electrician licensing in Oklahoma is handled by the Construction Industries Board, also known as the CIB, which is based in Oklahoma City. The CIB issues electrical licenses across Oklahoma's main licensing tiers: Apprentice, Journeyman, and Electrical Contractor. Altogether, there are 6 electrical license types within those tiers, depending on the scope of the work and level of responsibility. Oklahoma also uses PSI testing centers for its electrical exams with locations available across the state. Now, here's one detail that makes Oklahoma a little different. Every Oklahoma electrical license expires on the last day of the licensee's birth month. So instead of a one statewide renewal deadline, your renewal date depends on your own birthday month. And if you're contracting electrical work in Oklahoma, you must keep both your license and insurance active. Contracting without a current license and active insurance is a violation and may lead to enforcement action by the CIB. So before you take on electrical work, make sure your license type, renewal date, and insurance are all in good standing. Oklahoma has required the 2023 National Electrical Code on all electrical licensing exams since December of 2024. All CIB electrical exams are open book, but there are strict rules about what you can bring. Only the current adopted NEC edition is allowed in the test center, so outdated code books cannot be used. Ugly's electrical references is also commonly approved as an exam reference. Your books must have their original binding and they cannot contain written notes. You are allowed to tab and highlight your books before exam day, but don't write anything in them. Oklahoma's electrical license structure has 3 main tiers: Apprentice, Journeyman, and Contractor. At the first level, Apprentice electricians register with the Construction Industries Board and work under direct supervision while gaining the required experience hours. From there, Oklahoma has 2 types of journeyman licenses: residential journeyman and unlimited journeyman. Depending on the license type, journeyman generally needs between 4,000 and 8,000 hours of experience. A licensed journeyman can perform electrical work independently, but they cannot contract directly with clients or operate as the electrical contractor on a job. That authority belongs to the contractor level. Oklahoma has 3 types of electrical contractor licenses: limited contractor, residential contractor, and unlimited contractor. Depending on the classification, contractors need between 8,000 and 12,000 hours of experience. Electrical contractors are the ones who can run an electrical business, hire employees, pull permits, and contract directly with customers. So as you move up the ladder, the main difference is responsibility. Apprentices train under supervision, journeymen perform the work, and contractors operate the business. For Oklahoma journeyman licenses, the experience requirements depends on the license type. A residential journeyman needs 4,000 hours of experience, and unlimited journeyman needs 8,000 hours of experience covering both residential and commercial electrical work. Journeymen only take the trade exam. But there's an important rule. A journeyman must also be licensed and employed by a licensed electrical contractor. They can perform the work, but they cannot contract directly with customers. For contractor licenses, the requirements are higher. A limited electrical contractor needs 6,000 hours of commercial electrical experience as an owner, partner, or officer. An unlimited electrical contractor needs 12,000 total hours of qualifying experience. Contractors must pass both the trade exam and the business and law exam, and they also need to maintain a $5,000 bond and carry the required liability insurance. Before you can start working as an electrical apprentice in Oklahoma, make sure you register with the CIB. Once you're registered, you can begin logging your required work hours under the proper supervision. When you have the experience you need, the next step is applying for approval for the test. For a journeyman license, the fee is $75. The electrical contractor, the fee is $150. And you're going to schedule your exams through PSI. Journeymen take the trade exam only, and you'll need a score of at least 70% to pass. Contractors must pass the trade exam and the business and law exam, also with a minimum score of 70%. After passing, contractors must submit proof of their required $5,000 bond and liability insurance before the license can be activated. If you fail an exam, you can retest after 30 days. And one more thing, if you plan to perform alarm or security work in Oklahoma, that requires a separate endorsement. Oklahoma's electrical exams vary by license type, so make sure you know the format for the license you're applying for. The unlimited journeyman exam has 100 questions and gives you 4 hours. The residential contractor exam has 80 questions and you have 3.5 hours. The limited contractor and unlimited contractor exams each have 100 questions with a 4-hour time limit. For every CIB exam, you'll need a 70% passing score. The passing score dropped from 75 to 70% effective in 2024. Contractor level applicants also have to pass a separate business and law exam. Oklahoma's continuing education rules depend on your license type. Starting January 1st, 2026, electrical apprentices must complete 3 hours of continuing education every year before re-registering. For journeyman and electrical contractors, the requirement is 12 hours of continuing education every 3 years. This is double the previous requirement. At least 6 of those hours must be specific to code update training. If you're already licensed in another state, Oklahoma may offer a faster path through reciprocity. Oklahoma maintains electrical license reciprocity with 11 states, which are shown here on the screen. That list includes Texas, Colorado, and several other neighboring and western states. So let's do a quick recap. For Oklahoma Journeyman Electrician license, you'll need between 4,000 and 8,000 hours of experience, depending on whether you're applying for the residential or unlimited journeyman. The application fee is $75, and the journeyman only take the trade exam with a passing score of 70%. No bond is required for the journeyman license. For the Oklahoma electrical contractor license, you'll need between 6,000 and 12,000 hours of experience, depending on the contractor classification. The application fee is $150, and contractors must pass both the trade exam and the business and law exam. Contractors also need a $5,000 liability insurance. When preparing for the Oklahoma electrical exam, focus your study on the NEC topics that show up most often. That includes load calculations, grounding and bonding, conductor sizing, overcurrent protection, wiring methods, and code navigation. Since Oklahoma's electrical exams are open book, don't just study the material, practice finding answers quickly. Work through the open book practice questions under time conditions to make sure your code book is ready before exam day. You'll need the current 2023 National Electrical Code, and your book must have its original binding. If you're applying for the contractor license, make sure to also study Oklahoma's business and law content closely, because that is a separate exam. And that brings me to the discount I promised you earlier. If you're preparing for the Oklahoma electrician exam, use code 2026OK at checkout on oneexamprep.com to get 15% off any Oklahoma electrician exam prep package. Again, that's code 2026OK for 15% off. Make sure you're studying Oklahoma specific material, practicing with open book exam questions, and preparing for the license level that matches your goals. If you're preparing for the Oklahoma Journeyman Electrical Contractor exam, check the links below. At One Exam Prep, we offer Oklahoma-specific exam prep built around the 2023 National Electrical Code or any future codes, with practice exams for every licensed tier to help you prepare with confidence. Use code 2026OK at checkout for oneexamprep.com to get 15% off your packages. Subscribe to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel for more state-by-state licensing breakdowns, exam prep tips, and contractor licensing updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.